Good evening, children. Hope you all are fine. So here we are with the another class of general knowledge, and in today's class we will start third unit, that is world around. But before starting the next one, first we will recap the assignment questions which I have given you in the last class. The first question was, which animal never drinks water in its entire life? So answer is kangaroo rat. There are dash number of muscles in the human. So answer is 639. Third question, who had performed the world first heart transplant? Answer is Christian Bernard. Fourth, name the hardest substance available on earth, that is diamond. Fifth and the last one, name the scientist who first declared that the earth revolves around the sun. So answer is Copernicus. So these are the answers of last week assignment. So in today's class, in third unit world around, we will learn these subtopics, that is canals of the world, globe tracker, island quiz, national anthem song, and the important border lines. So we will start with the first one. Canals are used for carrying vessels, transporting goods and people. Given below are some famous canals of the world, and you have to match with the correct country's name. Okay, so the first one, Stockholm Canal. So Stockholm is in Sweden. Second, Alfuzza Canal. So it is in India, means it is in Kerala. Third, Longs. Answer is Thailand. Fourth, Sezua. So answer is China. Fifth one is Panama Canal. So it is in Panama. Sixth, Hoi An Canal. So it is in Vietnam. Seventh, Bio Canal. So it is in Chile. Eighth, Suez Canal. So it is in Egypt. Ninth, Kiel Canal. So it is in Germany. And the 10th one, Siama Canal, is in Finland. Do you know, children, Panama Canal connects 160 countries and 1700 ports around the world. So the next one, globe tracker. Different countries in the world are famous for their culture, monuments, discoveries, etc. Here are some descriptions given. You have to identify the country belonging the same. So the first one, there are hieroglyphics in the tomb here. So answer is Egypt. Second, Marco Polo brought the technique of printing to this country. Answer is Italy. Third, the Cultural Revolution took place in the country, China. This country had the first passenger train services. So it is England. The headquarters of SAARC is located in this country. So answer is Nepal. Sixth, Madrid is the capital of which country? So answer is Spain. Seventh, Christopher Columbus was trying to sail in this country when he landed in America. So answer is India. Eighth, chariot race was famous game of this country. So it is Rome. Ninth one, Alexander the Great belonged to this country. So it is Greece. And 10th one, Hokkaido is one of the largest island in this country. So answer is Japan. Now dates and events. In the history of world, the occurrence of different events have their own importance. This happen and people remember them forever. So here some events given. You have to note down the dates. India adopted the constitution. So the answer is 26th November 1949. Means on that India adopted the constitution, but when it came into effect in 26th January 1930. Then Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. We used to observe this day, that is 30th January 1948. USA dropped atom bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So it was on 6th and 9th. We just observed these days also in our special assembly, 6th and 9th day as the Hiroshima and Nagasaki day. Then Indian spacecraft reached the Mars orbit. So the answer is 24th September 2014. Then collapse of the World Trade Center, 11th September 2001. When was the first World War began? So it is in the 28th July 1914. Bangladesh got independence. So 26th March 1971. And the last one, Kalpana Chawla died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster. So it was on 1st January 2003. Now next is then island quiz. An island is a place surrounded by water. Different islands are located in different sea or oceans. Island means what? It is the land area surrounded by the sea. Sea means sea, ocean, water. So here are some islands given and you have to find out on which ocean or sea it belongs to. So first is Canary, Bahamas and Furey. These ocean means water body is Atlantic Ocean. The second one is Hawaii, Fiji and Mariana. So it is in Pacific Ocean. Maldives, Mascarene and Sri Lanka. It is in Indian Ocean. Aline, Mala and Balearic. It is in Mediterranean Sea. Yamar, Naimak and Rudolph is in Arctic Ocean. Cyclades, Ionian, Dedokenes. It is in Aegean Sea. Now next is the national anthem or song. So in this crossword puzzle, the name national anthem song reflects the cultural heritage of country and the country's names are given in this puzzle. So you have to identify it. The first one is God Save the Queen and King. So it is of United Kingdom. Second, Kimi Gaya. It is of Japan. Janaganman, you all know, it is India. Deutschland Lied, that is Germany. March of Volunteers is China. La Marseillaise is of France. Amhara Nab Fian is Ireland. The Star Spangled Banner, America. Fratelli d'Italia is of Italy. Bundesheim der Republik Österreich is of Austria. So these are the national anthem or songs belonging to that countries. Do you know our national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore was first sung at the political occasion on December 27, 1911 on the second day of the Congress session. Now important borderlines. Borderlines are very important as they demarcate a country from the other. That gives a geographical area, no? So these are some borderlines given and name of the country is also given. You have to match it. The first one is the 16th parallel. So it is the borderline which demarcate Angola and Namibia. Second one, Radcliffe Line. So it demarcate India and Pakistan. Then third one, Hindenburg Line, that is Germany and Poland. Fourth, McMahon Line, so it demarcate India and China. Fifth, Maginot Line, that is France and Germany. Sixth, Durand Line, so it is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Seventh, 49th parallel, so it is between Canada and USA. Eighth, 38th parallel, so it is North Korea and South Korea. Ninth, 22nd parallel, so it is between Libya and Sudan. And last one is 20th parallel, so it is the Egypt, it demarcates Egypt and Sudan. Now it's time for assignment. You will note down these questions and you will write these answers in your copy. And in the last class I didn't find, only few copies I find, but other have not submitted, means not sent me the answers of assignment. So children, be careful because these assignment question whatever I am giving in your examination, from these question also the questions may be asked. So here the first one is, the Nathula Pass is located in which state of India? Second, which state of India earned the name of Fruit Bowl? Which Indian state has the longest border with the China? Which of the only place in South India where snowfall occurs? And the last one, Dead Sea is located between which two countries? So in this way we completed today's class. You will note down these GK questions and find out the answers in your copy, and you will be sending the pic of it to my personal number. Okay, thank you.